How do you guys greet your customers? Hey, how are you? This is gonna be the first vlog that we make a full detail start to finish with the customer. The customer's running 10 minutes late today. Every minute you show up late, I add $1 to the details, so let's see what they say about it. I'm just kidding.
Put the mat. I have put the mats right here. I didn't want them put like. I didn't want to put them back on.
Are you taking them out like?
Do you want me to take them
for good?
No.
Or you want them cleaned up?
If you could.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
that's a part of it.
Yeah. The seats. I think back here is where it's like the worst.
Oh yeah. Always the foldables. Oh, there's some mold.
Yeah.
There was another truck you were gonna bring in, right?
No.
Okay, so it was the Avalanche and.
This is my Avalanche.
Oh, I thought we were talking about two vehicles.
Well, yes. So that one. Yeah. Once I get my new car, I'm gonna bring in his because my daughter spilled some milk and he doesn't have leather seats, so it's stained a little bit.
So this is the one you were talking about as well.
Yeah, for like next time.
Okay.
Later in the future, for sure. Had it to where like the trunk was facing up, so all of the water was coming down into down there, and it was all just leaking out. He's like, "Where's all this water coming from? If you're not driving it, like the AC's not running." I'm just like, we opened it and it was just gross.
So I said $225 for the truck, right?
Was it for that?
Yeah, so it was for the truck, it was $225.
Okay.
And then you said you wanted to get this one all the way done.
The inside for this today.
But just the inside for this one today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because don't have enough to be able to, I want to do it all. I just don't have enough to be able to do it all right now.
Yeah.
Is my point.
No, that's totally fine. I get that. It's just a little bit worse than I thought with the mold and stuff.
I figured.
So maybe like $275 would be closer to what I'd charge.
Okay.
I'll get all the mats and everything for you and just as much of that as I can get out. Should be about 4 hours. Probably a little longer.
My friends were like, "Why don't you just buy a shampoo?" And I'm like, I don't think.
No, yeah. Takes a little bit more than that. I got the keys.
Awesome.
And I'll just give you like a 30-minute heads up.
Yeah, for sure.
And then you guys can make your way out here.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. What's going on, YouTube? It's Detailer D back with another detailing video. Hope everyone's having a good day. Today we got a little Avalanche inside. You guys heard me talking to the customer, and she's hammered. Check it out. Hammered seats. Hopefully everything comes out nice and clean. The worst part of this we got mold all inside. So I originally charged her $225. That's my full interior for a truck. But then when it's hammered like this, I add another $50 to $100. So today's video, we got a full interior Avalanche, and then I got someone else coming and dropping off a boat. First boat, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get started on this right now. Make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Follow my Instagram, see all the transformations and stuff on there. In the description, there's an Amazon store to all the products and stuff that I use that are my favorites and get the job done for me. So if you guys are interested, check those out. Let's get started with today's video. Boat just pulled up, guys. We're still in the middle of working on the avalanche over there. Keep coming. Keep coming. Woo! She's hammered. I didn't think this piece would come out, and I finally got it out. Look underneath. This is one of those cars where just under every crack and crevice there's something. Alright guys, here goes a satisfying extraction for you. Oh, she's dirty. This is where all the mold was. It ain't even foaming up because it's so dirty. My second time using the Mighty extractor, and I gotta say, heat makes a huge difference. But stay tuned for the video I'm gonna be making soon, comparing the homemade one and the Mighty. It hasn't stopped raining since I stopped vacuuming in here, but the job is done. Not bad, not bad. This rain is getting ridiculous. Hasn't stopped sprinkling since I've started. Thankfully, it didn't downpour, so we're happy about that. It just keeps on running, so I'm gonna wipe down before they pull up. Carpet line's looking good. Carpet came out pretty clean. The carpet in these trucks are pretty nice.
Is it pretty?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Your carpet's actually pretty nice in here, so it turned out pretty good.
I love this truck. If gas was inside the boot.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
the only reason I'm getting rid of it.
Yeah, it's getting pretty bad.
See, now I don't want to get rid of it. Look at this, so pretty.
Pop open the seats.
You're awesome. I don't even want to get rid of it anymore.
Thank you.
I'm so depressed. How do you get these cars down here? Like low cars like that? Like down the whole...
This one's on, it's on air.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it raises.
I was like,
I think that's everything.
if you find anything, you can call me.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
9 times out of 10, customers are happy, especially with interiors, to see that kind of transformation with the mold and everything. Like, I don't know, what are you gonna be mad about? Like a streak in the window? My first boat detail video will be coming soon. Make sure you guys are subscribed. We are gonna take off right now. We would be getting started on the boat, but I have to return these wheels right here that I did a curb rash restore on. So we're headed halfway to Seattle right now, which is about an 1.5 hour drive to go drop these off, get paid, and we made our money today. You guys can look forward to a transformation of the boat let me give you guys a quick look in the inside, because this is what we're focusing on. Oh yeah, she dirty. And then tomorrow we also have to finish this BMW. Busiest weekend I've had in detailing in a long time. 4 jobs, 3 interiors, 1 paint correction, and a curb rash restore that we're just returning and getting paid for. One of the busiest weekends I've had in a long time because of the rain. So we're grateful, but this rain's gotta go. Thank you guys for watching another video. It's been another one. Detailer D out.